Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're going to have a look at this grill for UK barbecue review, and I'm testing out the Bibury 5 from Whistler Grills. It's a great big stainless steel gas grill. It's got impressive set of lights here. It's got internal lights so you can cook in the dark. It's got a lot of storage underneath here. So there's some great cupboards and drawers for storing all your bits and pieces, and a smoke attachment so you can get some nice smoky flavours in there. So you put your wood chips in there and then they'll smoke away and give you amazing wood smoke flavour to your food. There's another space down here, plenty of room in there as well really. It's got 5 cast stainless steel burners in there and the control knobs on the front here. Nice Sizzle plate side burner there, which is fantastic. It's got a great warranty on it, so I mean, it's stainless steel, it's not going to go anywhere. So this is a grill for life basically, I think, and it's such high quality, it's well made. I've had a good play with this. One of the benefits of a large gas grill like this is the sheer amount of real estate in there, so you can cook for an awful lot of people. There's a big rotisserie, so you can get whole porchettas, you can probably get 4 or 5 chickens. You don't tend to get that with charcoal grills, so if you're looking for lots of space, this is for you. Whistler Grills are relatively new in the UK, and this is their top of the range model. So I think you can get an awful lot of food in here, cook for a whole heap of friends and family, and it looks beautiful as well. So I think it would be a real asset in your barbecue. Overall, I'm loving it. It's a cracking grill, and I think a lot of people are going to enjoy cooking on this too.